the person who is self-aware is the only person who can bring bigger change in their life. So firstly, it's great if you at least know that these are the drawbacks. Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita, your friend over here, back again with another interesting video for all of you. Before I move forward, I would like to show my gratitude and thanks each one of you who reach out to me with your best wishes. It really helped me to recover. As I have shared in the post that I'm down with fever, I want to tell you I have got typhoid, but now I'm almost recovered. I was feeling better, so here I am. This video is something different and special, especially if you like to spend time with me and have mostly like a raw, vulnerable conversation. I'm sure this video is for you. You will find a lot of value and depth from this video. So grab a cup of coffee or whatever you prefer and let's have a soulful conversation. In this video, I'm not gonna tell you what to do and what not to do. This is not that kind of a video. This is mostly like having a conversation with a friend and spending good time and reflecting about life. So if you like this kind of a content where I'm opening up and sharing a lot of life insight, this video is for you. You know, today morning I was reading a newsletter by a great entrepreneur. Over there, she have mentioned something which resonated so much with me because I was experiencing this during this time too. She said, you know, sometime when you are in this entrepreneur journey or any area of your life, you feel like everything is figured out and things are going your way, everything is sailing smoothly. But on the other side, there are times when you feel lost, when you feel like you don't know what is happening, where things are moving. You are just clueless about everything. And I feel like I was in this phase also. Yes, I was struggling with my health, but there were a lot of other challenges that I was going through. I was in deep reflection. I was just going through a lot of things and I found like, okay, I am feeling clueless. I am feeling lost. And you know, this is the time and this is the sign where life is telling you there is something more, there is something beyond that what you're doing. And that what even she mentioned. She was like, that is a sign that you need to push yourself and you need to see what is out there, what is more that you're meant to do. And I cannot agree on this more that yes, I was having the similar kind of an experience in my life. On one side, I was with bad health, but I was seeing a lot of other challenges too. And you know what? The funny thing what I realize is life is so temporary. You came alone, you will die alone. All the people you meet in between is just part of the journey to help you to move from one destination to other and to help you in your journey so that you don't feel alone and lonely. And I think this community, this tribe which I'm building is mostly for the same reason. I don't want you to feel alone in your journey. I know sometimes life can be so hard, so difficult. We can feel lost. We can feel like we don't know what is happening in our life. That's why I try to show up in the most authentic way. And you know, let me give you a disclaimer over here. In my personal life, I am someone who doesn't open up or share a lot of things. I am a person who loves to keep things to myself. But as I'm building this community, I try to show up and be more vulnerable over here. Lot of time, even my closest friend who are connected to this channel come to know a lot of things about me through this channel. You know, the evidence is my few friends didn't knew that I'm down with typhoid. They came to know by seeing the post which I have posted in YouTube. So you can see the depth what I'm talking about. But this is who I am. When I'm building this community, I try to bring certain aspect of my life so that you can feel connected, so that you can feel like you're not alone. And this takes so much of courage. You are just bringing yourself out there as you are. And that's why, you know, this content doesn't vibe with all. If you are someone who's a spiritual, who is a deep person, who doesn't want to just know the surface level thing, who want to go deeper, that's what this channel is about. And you know, this is the great thing. I know the community is going to take time to build, but trust me, my friends, when this grows, we will have lot of like-minded people, and we will be doing lot of great things in this community itself. It's a journey for me also, like where universe is guiding me, what universe is telling me to do. But one thing I can rest assure you is, this is my journey. I have chosen for this one, and I won't give up on this journey. Yes, there can be breaks, there can be lot of time when there are pauses, because I am also figuring out lot of things when it comes to my personal life, my professional life. So sometimes you don't feel like doing anything, because that is a time of deep reflection. So I know this channel will go through a lot of pauses, but one thing I can say is, it will never stop. There is a difference between stopping and quitting with something, and there is a difference between taking a pause. So I want to say you one thing as an assurance that yes, there will be pause, because I am also figuring out lot of things. But this channel will not stop, because this is not something where I'm just doing out of nowhere things. I'm actually building something deep, which even I am not aware of. I'm just taking action based on my intuition and the guidance which I get. And even when I was down with my bad health, I realized like, no, this is something I really want to go back to. I want to show up, and I want to show up for the people who belong to this community and who have trust on me. So firstly, I want to show immense gratitude and thank each one of you who are connected to this channel. And trust me, some of you I don't know personally, but I can feel the energy and vibe. Whenever you message me, certain people in this community are somewhere in my head. And I am sure there will be one day when we will get chance to connect and know each other more deeply. But there are certain names who are always active and who is always commenting are in my mind, and I would really want to connect with all of you someday. One more thing what I found during this time is, this is for all of you who want to do something in your life, who are clueless, but that you will eventually figure out. The crucial thing I want to say over here is, first and foremost, if you are in your 20s, this is the great time to just focus on building something that really speaks to you and matter to you. I also came across one article today where it was like, more people will be single by 2030. This is not about relationship, but I want to tell you one dynamic of it. The reason for that was because especially women out there want to focus on themselves, want to invest in personal development. And now as we move forward, we will see that in society there is things which are getting balanced out. Men and women will be equal. So especially to the women out there, I want to tell you, everything will align and fall into place. It was also a reflection which came for myself. The only thing that you need to focus on is yourself. I have recorded one video way back where I have mentioned like, you are your biggest project. I want to emphasize the same thing in this also. And even if you are a man listening out there, there is no shame. Share it with the woman whom you feel like will feel inspired listening to this video. Because I really want to build something where I'm also empowering women. Being a woman, I just want to be like, there for you. Because what I have seen is, there is a strong bro code in the society, but still we lack somewhere, that woman support. And I know how difficult it is, because I also struggle with this thing. So I really want to be here for all the women out there. And I just want to say you, build your brand, build your personality, and be there for yourself. Once you are doing great in your life, you will see that you will never settle for less. Everything that is out there for you will automatically align for you. Once you start putting yourself out there, once you build that confidence, once you make your dreams happen, you will see that you will be unstoppable. And I just want to say this from my own experience and the journey I am embarking on. Seriously, there is a different kind of empowerment that you feel when you are working on yourself, when you are actually working towards growth, and when you are doing something that really matters to you. It can be anything, to be honest, but what really matters is, don't settle for less. Until and unless I feel like you are in a stage where you are doing good in your life, I personally feel, don't settle for less, because eventually this thought will come back and it will be like what you're doing from your life. So first and foremost, prioritize yourself, prioritize your career. And the biggest reflection I have come across is, what actually matters is your career. you are doing something worth doing which is meaningful to you, not to prove anyone but to feel good about yourself. And once you start walking in this path, once you actually realize the power of this thing, you will see that you are doing great in your life, my friends. So I really want to emphasize over here that start doing something. The sooner you start, that's how you will gain clarity. Until you don't take action, you will really not know what is out there for you. I have taken a lot of time to analyze a lot of things, and this is not something which comes easy to me also. I was reflecting on so many things last night, and I found I am also a person who want to know certain answers before doing anything. But this is a shift which I need to bring in my life, because I personally feel like you will never know everything. You will only know things when it's time. And this was the biggest challenge which I know I have to work consciously upon. Like, just do and take action. Don't wait for the things and to get all the answers, because life is not meant to be. And I am being very raw and authentic over here. This thing doesn't come easy to me either. I know I have to work so much on this myself, but if I don't share all this side of mine with you, I personally feel you might not feel comfortable sharing, and you might not get this resonating vibes. So that's why I'm just saying, like, you are not alone if you feel this thing. There are a lot of people out there who feel the same. They all go through the same thing, same struggle as you are. Just the difference is people are not able to speak because they feel like they will be judged. But trust me, once you open up with the people like you will see that we all have similar kind of a feeling. We all go through the similar kind of things. It just takes courage to accept that yes, these are the challenges you're going through. And self-awareness is the biggest thing. The person who is self-aware is the only person who can bring bigger change in their life. So firstly, it's great if you at least know that these are the drawbacks. These are somewhere lagging in you, because that's how you can work upon those things. So have acceptance in life, because acceptance and self-awareness will take you long way. There is no other way about it. So on a concluding note, I want to say each one of you out there, believe in yourself, don't settle for less, and start working on the thing that really matters to you. You don't need any validation from outside. Just start taking action. When you're growing, when you're doing great in your life, the world will validate you because they will see your success. But that will not happen until and unless people see the evidence. Unfortunately or fortunately, this world works that way. You have to show the evidence, then only people invest on you. Then only you get a lot of funding, and that's how people start believing in your dreams. Start wherever you are. Don't wait to get all the answers. Eventually, as you take action, you will have more clarity. But again, I want to say you one thing. It doesn't go other way. Until and unless you don't take action, you will not know where life is headed. The more action you take, the more clarity you get. That's how you will see, like, okay, things are progressing and it is going somewhere where nobody knows, because in the end, destination is a long-sighted journey. So focus on journey, don't focus on destination, and you will see a lot of magical things happening in your life. It's my wish and pray that you find something which you're passionate about and you grow it so big, and I will be always here cheering up for you. Feel free to connect. I will be more than happy to help you in any which way and form I can. This community is a safe place for all of you. Feel free to connect with each other. Comment, because until and unless you don't comment, you don't interact, no one will know what you're going through. So don't be afraid that you will be judged. We all need to break this barrier of judgment, because that's how we will see like great things happening in your life. So I really want you to comment, connect with each other. And that's why I'm even building this for all of you, and even for me, because I want like-minded people like all of you to be part of this community, and I'm grateful to each one of you. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, because your presence truly matters. It inspires me to do all this for you. And the great thing and biggest thing you can do for me is please subscribe and be part of this tribe. It means a world to me. Now it's your turn. I'm looking forward to connect with you in my next video. Sending you lots of love and light. Signing off from my side. Until next time, keep shining bright. Bye bye.